Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Tonkeeper in 2025. If you're holding USDT on the Ton blockchain and need to move it out, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and securely. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of the Tonkeeper app installed on your phone or device. This is crucial because blockchain tech evolves fast, and we're talking 2025 here. Updates might include enhanced security features. Once you're set, open the app and log in to your wallet using your PIN, biometrics, or recovery phrase. Step 1. Head to your wallet dashboard. You'll see a clear overview of your assets, including your USDT balance. Tap on it to select USDT. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually prominent and easy to find. This might be labeled differently based on app updates in 2025, so keep an eye out for any new icons or prompts. Step 3. Enter the recipient's address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Always verify it's a valid Ton or compatible network address. Step 4. Specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs before proceeding. Step 5. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and final recipient. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize with your wallet's security method. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. In 2025, Ton network speeds could be even faster, but it might take a few minutes to a few hours depending on congestion. And there you have it. Your USDT should now be on its way. Always keep your wallet secure and stay updated with the latest crypto best practices. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.